Hi, I'm Lauren.
I'm Sophia.
I'm Melanie.
And I'm Kara.
And we're the staff and crew of Rebuilding Blight.
Urban blight is rundown or abandoned buildings that lead to the decay of surrounding communities.
Our goal is to bring awareness of urban blight and help communities in need find potential solutions.
This video will demonstrate some of the research we have done regarding urban blight using a sample of the East Lansing community.
A sense of loss of community.
Okay.
So like the communities that ran within those buildings would no longer have a place to organize or function.
Right.
And I would wonder what kind of like systematic oppressions happened so that those people lost what was once like big for them.
It's the government's job, but like people should probably prompt them to like work on it, otherwise they probably won't do anything about it.